strong ball press, is mainly used for non-ferrous and black metal or powder ball making block directly into the furnace smelting. Improve the added value. The ball press itself to the motor requirements are very strict. Because of different raw materials, the pressure used in the middle is also different. At this time, as one of the indispensable parts of the ball press, our motor played a very important role in it. Maybe some friends will ask why this motor is so important to our power ball press. What's the connection? Of this motor directly promotes whether the internal speed of the whole powerful ball press can reach the standard. There are certain requirements. For example, what happens if we buy a smaller baluster model? If the motor of the power ball press is small, it means that the pressure of our whole power ball press is too low. Once the pressure is reduced, then our ball machine could have a very serious problem with ball formation.